Hello, everyone, and I hope things are well and safe during these unprecedented COVID 19 times. I am Lieutenant Colonel Monish Ahuja, the promoter and managing director of Punjab Renewable Energy Systems Private Limited, PRESPL. We work in rural India with farmers and village level entrepreneurs who we get on board on PRESPL. And these village level entrepreneurs, we train them, equip them, and also provide resources to them in terms of finance for working in the fields post harvest and collecting the farm waste agricultural residue. They then transport this agricultural residue to PRESPL managed depots or collection centers where the transfer of ownership happens based on protocols of quality and quantity, and a payment is made to this village level entrepreneur or farmer through the banking channels. Once this is done and PRESPL has this resource, which is a waste resource of agricultural residue, we then do some pre-processing or processing on it and utilize it either in the raw form or we convert it to briquettes and transport this to industrial areas where this is utilized for industrial steam generation, which is renewable energy. So we replace the fossil fuel, the furnace oil, diesel, F-grade coal, which are polluting when used in the industries, with agricultural residue, which is renewable, which does not have the sulfur and NOx element when it is burned in a controlled industrial boiler. And this steam is utilized for industrial process. During the COVID lockdown in the last 3 months, we have been operating across India in Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, Karnataka. We have been operating to 100% capacity. And the message is, if we are doing decentralized renewable energy, if we are working in the rural farm sector, we are away from the mess which we have created in the urban areas, and we are able to take energy from this farm waste to the industrial areas. Fortunately, within the first week of the lockdown, we could set house in order, we could use technology means, and each of our sites, with all the precautions of health, safety, all the precautions of the PPE, HPE, as per the government guidelines and taking government permissions, we have been able to operate all essential services, industries that we are linked with. So there is pharma in terms of we operate with Cipla, we operate with Sun Pharma, there is the FMCG and packaging foods, we work with Pepsi, and all these boilers we have been running continuously to 100% capacity. The takeaway is, working in a decentralized manner, the junior and mid leadership is able to perform. They have a space which is their own ownership and deliver to the requirement of our clients. The other good part is, by doing all this, we are reducing the tons of CO2 which the fossil fuels would have put in the atmosphere. So if just on an equivalency number, about 2,000 tons of biomass if we use on an annualized basis, we are reducing 1,300 tons of CO2 putting into the atmosphere, and reduction of all the SOx and NOx. This is the kind of work which is happening, and we are able to operate in this COVID period. The message again which I would like to communicate is that let's go rural. Let's build the base based on agri sector. Let's build our focus on industrialization going into rural areas. And I think there is a good space for us to kind of open up in the unlock period and take industry rural. Thank you so much.